Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today is sort of going to be like a 2-for-1 because I'm going to show you guys how to make amazing garlic shrimp, and we're going to pour that right over some chicken and just make a shrimp chicken skillet. So that's like 2 recipes in one. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to start browning the bacon, which I'm already doing right here. Once you brown the bacon, you're going to remove it, and then we're going to start building the shrimp sauce. Alright, so we're back over here. Now I'm just going to season my chicken with the spice I had here. I showed you guys earlier. It's the cracked peppercorn seasoning from Private Selections. I got this from the Kroger supermarket. Y'all know I love me some Kroger. I shop there a lot. You want to season this really well on both sides, and we're going to sear this off in another skillet. Alright you guys, so this is my chicken breast. I'm going to cook it until it gets to 160 degrees. I'm going to test it by using my thermometer, and then we're going to pour the shrimp right over it. Alright you guys, so I added the garlic and some red pepper flakes to the bacon drippings. You want to cook that out for a minute. Make sure it's on low heat. That's the drippings that's making the garlic brown. It's not actually burning, so don't worry. Don't burn your garlic, guys. Do not burn your garlic. If you do, start over. Alright, so then you're going to add your shrimp down in here. Get it nice and mixed in. This looks so good already. So good. Now you're going to take your shot of wine, moscato, whatever you want to use. I'm using moscato. Then you're also going to take your lemon. Get some lemon juice down in there. Cut side up so you don't get any seeds. Alright, then you're going to add your scallions down in here. And at this point, you're pretty much done. You're going to pour this right over the chicken. Alright, so now you're going to take your shrimp. Wow. And you're going to pour this right over your chicken. Right over there. And we're not done. We're absolutely not done. Then you're going to take your bacon. So you're going to sprinkle and think your bacon. Are you going to get this in a restaurant? I don't think so. Can you make it for yourself at home? It'll be absolutely perfect. Absolutely. Should you watch Mesha's Corner's recipe and make this recipe? Absolutely. Oh, I spilled some of my bacon. Let me not go that way. But yeah, let me take some pictures and I'll show you guys what this looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right here. I'm just going to get this to him with some salad. And I said I didn't make a salad. I'm just making some lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, and croutons, and that's it. I'm not doing anything. You could eat this though with mashed potatoes, bread, rice, pasta. This pretty much goes with anything. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys try it out. If you do, take pictures, tag me, and let me know what you think. It smells absolutely amazing. I wish I could eat it, but I can't. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys next time on my next one. Bye guys.